Hello everyone, I am Mr. Tyrchain Phawa. So in this video, I will teach you about data merge in Adobe InDesign. So you see that using data merge, you can create many different types of documents such as catalogs, envelopes, applications, letters, ID cards, business cards, and many other different types of business documents. Also, before you start working with data merge, you must prepare the following. They are known as the data source file, main document or the command letter, and the third one is the resultant document or the final product. So let us begin. To work with data merge or mail merge in Adobe InDesign, you have to prepare a main document or the command letter. And what you see here on the screen, this is the main document or the command letter. And here you have to place all the items that you want to convey, including the source file need to be placed here. So to prepare the source file, you can prepare it with the help of Notepad or Excel application, and when you save the file, remember to save it with an extension .txt or .csv file format. Now let me show you how to prepare the source file in Microsoft Excel. So minimize first this document. Now click on the start button here, and on the search box you type here Excel, and you see that this is the Excel application icon here. Click on that and wait for some time as it loads, and click on this blank workbook. Now this is the Excel workbook or the Excel sheet here. Now here you can start to type the field name. So here you can start with the title, then followed by the first name, next last name, next address, next photo. And for the photo, remember here you have to start with the @ sign, and you can write here photos and press enter key. Now you see here, this is the problem in Excel, that it will not allow you to add the @ sign directly. So you need to convert it to the text data type, this particular cell. So remove this @ sign first, click outside, again click on this particular cell and click on the home tab. From the number group, in the place of general here, you can change it to the text data type, and double click here again and add the @ sign here. Press enter key. You see it allowed you to add now. Then you can start to fill the rest of the things now. So here you can start with Mr. Ram. Ram is the first name, and then here Das is the last name, address Polo. And for the photo here, remember you have to copy and paste the location of the particular file, and then click on this PC, click on pictures, then go for the photos here and click on this bar here and select it properly. Copy this. You can press Ctrl C from the keyboard back to your Excel file, paste it here, enlarge the cell. That means here the Excel size you can enlarge, and here double click and give a slash, and here you have to give the name of the photo here, ram.jpg. Press enter key. Now for the next name also you can write here Miss Angita Paul, and address here is Laban, and again paste the location of the picture here, and again double click, give it a slash, and now the name of the photos here will be Ankita So you have to write the exact spelling here. .jpg. Again enter, and the next name also here, title will be Miss Sita Rana, and address is Mauprem. Again paste the location of the photos here, slash, and here the name of that picture is Sita here, .jpg. Okay, so now let's say there's 3 recipients here. Now you can save this file. Click on File, click on Save, and then click on the Browse option, and here you can go to the location where you want to save. As of now, I'll go to the documents here, and here I will write here data March, and then now the save as type. From here you have to select this option, the CSV file with the comma delimited. Click on that, and then click on Save button and wait for some time as it saves. Then after that you can close this file, close this also. Now you can go back to your InDesign application. Now here you can insert those fill whichever you have created there. So click on the window menu, click on utility, click on data march. Now this is the data march dialog box here. Click on the more option here and click on this option, that is select data source. Then now click on this documents because you have saved it there, and click on that particular file which you have saved with the name data march, and click on open and wait for some time. Now you press a tab key to arrange it. Click on the title, give a space one time, otherwise it will attach together. First name space last name. Now press enter key, press the tab key again. Now for the address. Now for the photos here, somewhere here at the top we have to place the photo. Press the tab key to navigate, and then somewhere here click on these photos here, and then now here you can do some adjustment wherever required. You can use a backspace and give a space here. Dear first name, you can add it here. Just preview it once and see how does it look like. Okay, and then now click on this option here, that is create merge document, and you see that this is the create merge document dialog box appear here, and here the records to merge. By default all records it is selected, and if you want that all the records to be print, then you click on this option, and then single records means you have to mention which particular reports or which particular page that you want to print, whether you want page 3, page 2, page 1, you have to mention it here. And then now the range, suppose here you have lots of letter or applications to convey or to print. Maybe sometime you don't want to print it all of them, then you have to mention here maybe from 50 to 100 in case if you have that. Okay, and as of now we have only 3 records, so we have to click on this all option and see that here, and click on OK button now and wait for some time. Now this dialog box is appearing here. You see that no overset text was generated when merging records. Okay, we don't have the overset text. And then now you see this is the resultant document that we have here. So we have got these 3 letters here, that is Mr. Ram, Ms. Angita, and Ms. Rana here. Okay, so this way you can create the data match or the mail match in Adobe InDesign. So I hope you have got some idea now how to create the data match here.